This is our part 2 hair coloring, where I will be showing the step by process how to cover your gray hairs. There are two steps. One step is two-step henna process, where you will be doing, first you will apply henna and then later you will apply indigo. Where you have you have little time and you want deeper color for like 2-3 months it will go on. For me it stays like 2.5 months. Once I color it, I can use it. My scalp is little oily. I wash regularly my hair, but still the color will stay for me for like 2 months. Sometimes it go long. The next method, somebody do not have time, they want instant result. This is one step henna indigo method. So you can follow either of it, or what you can do is you would have done the part 1, that burgundy color, the brown coloring part, and you feel like you want soft black, you can apply indigo on it. So this is also another method where you can do and color your hair and cover your gray hairs. So let's get on to the video, see the process how we do it, and if you do it, please comment me and let me know. If it is helpful, comment me and let me know. If you like this content, do not forget to subscribe, like, share and stay connected to my channel. There are few videos in my channel, check out. If you like anything, please subscribe and stay connected to my channel.
You can take any type of your choice henna. I am using this because I trust this brand and I'm using from from 3 to 4 months. It's good to me, so I'm using it. You can use any of your choice brand. So I've already opened it, I've already used it. So if you are taking henna 2 spoon, you have to take indigo 4 spoon. If you're it is double of the amount. So depending upon your hair length, you can select, you can add the quantity. So for me, I have a medium length hair and I'm also using on my husband, so I'm just taking 3 spoons of henna powder. This is enough. I think I'll take 4 spoons. Proper coverage is needed. Here you can use ceramic bowl or glass bowl. We are using this because to stop the oxidation of the henna. So if once they get oxidation, they'll become red orangish tint. So I don't want that to happen. So I am avoiding those by using glass bowl, and I'm also not adding any amla, shigekai, other products in it because they're all acidic. Again, it will get oxidized and it will not. It will stop reaction of the indigo, so it will become flat. It won't give you that black color. It will just become one ingredient, but that purpose of adding indigo will not be there. So that's the reason use the glass bowl or ceramic bowls and not to add any ingredients. It's easy, it can be used by anyone, and avoid all this expensive chemical hair colors out from your life. They will harm you in the long run. Your other hairs also will become white. So that's the reason I figured out this. I used to use L'Oreal. After that I had a huge hair fall, and all other hairs next to it become grey. So that's the reason stop using chemical hair colors. Try something natural. It will take some time, but worth, because you should love yourself and take care of yourself. Spending 2 hours would not matter than spending hours of time in hospitals. Okay, so I'm done. I'll keep it this for the overnight. Next day I'll see you with the next step and I'll apply and show what is the result. So let's see after overnight soaking how our mehndi is looking. So it's looking nice. You can see the color is all, it is released. So now we are going to,
now we will be applying to our hair. We will leave this on our hair like 2 to 4 hours in between. So if you need deeper color, go for like 4 hours. 2 to 4 hours, it's good. And after that you will wash with the plain water. So once you're done applying, so this is how it looks. You have to cover your hair with the any shower cap or some poly cover,
make sure the pack does not dries out, only then it will work and it will release your color. What we are doing is here, like entire white gray hairs, we are going to dye them into orange. So that like this, after your wash, it will look like this. So once your gray hairs gets orange, then if you apply on that indigo, it will turn to black. That is the main game here. So first you will dye all your grays to orange, then you will apply on that indigo, so that will dye all your gray hairs into soft black or jet black. Again, it the one we applied henna, we kept for 4 hours and we washed it. We will next day morning we will start preparing indigo pack and we will apply on our henna treated hairs. For henna, I'm using here bio-organic, which already had opened it, so I had little, so I'm using up that itself. So henna, whatever you're taken, it should be 2:4 ratio, like indigo should be double of it. So I had taken that 3 spoons of henna. Here I am taking 6, like whatever indigo that I had it, I am mixing it up. So you have to just mix it and you have to apply immediately. You will not be keeping it for long or to release its color. It is effective when you apply immediately. So lukewarm water to be taken. Again, you will be mixing in a glass bowl, because we don't want that to oxidize with the air and give some other color. So that's the reason we will be using entirely in this process glass bowl or ceramic bowls we will be using. So I'm taking here indigo and I'm mixing it with the hot water. So mixing is done, immediately I will apply on my henna treated hair. I'll leave it for again 2 hours and I'll wash again with the plain water without any shampoo. For henna also we did the same thing we'll do here also. We'll wash our hair with plain water. After the next day, like after 24 hours of my henna pack, I will apply oil and then I'll use a mild shampoo, wash my hair. So it will takes like 24 hours to 48 hours to develop the color in your hair. So don't be scared, like if it is not, the color is not seen. So it will take some 24 hours to 48 hours to get that color in your hair. So after that you will definitely enjoy the result. Applying, make sure that you apply a thick layer and concentrate on the places where you have your grays more. Like I have near the front part, forehead way, so I make sure that I apply a thick layer and concentrate more over there. After the same again, like you should be covering with the shower cap, not allow pack to dry up. So cover your hair with the shower cap. So after my wash, my hair looks like this. All my grays are almost covered. So it will take some 48 hours to develop a color. Wait for it. Now we saw how to do 2-step process. Now we'll see the 1-step process for someone who wants this result and do not have time. But this will not stay for long. It will just stay for 1 month. So let's see how to do it. So in this 1-step process you need henna, indigo. I've taken Alphonse indigo itself, so it was available, so I've just taken. Even this will work super and nice, so it will always be out of stock. That's the only pain, you have to figure out and buy them up. So here we will be mixing henna and keeping it for overnight, and then next day morning we will, for the same pack, we will mix the indigo. So again we'll be using the glass bowl, no other ingredients, just water and this powder. So here we are avoiding, make sure we are making sure that it is not going to oxidize any of the ingredients and reduce the impact of the indigo. So that's the reason we are avoiding all the other ingredients and just mixing with the water. So let's get into the process and understand. This time I'm trying on my husband hair, so they are the one who will not have time, so that's the reason I'm trying on his hair. So I've kept the indigo for the henna for the overnight, and it is released nice color. Ratio will remain same, 2:3. Indigo is 2 spoons. Then you should be applying adding on indigo 4 spoons. So 2 spoon henna, 4 spoon indigo. So that's how I am mixing it. So I am mixing with again lukewarm water next day morning for the henna which I kept it for the overnight. So mix it well, nice, uniformly. No other ingredients. That is something you have to keep it in your mind, and apply on the freshly washed your hair. So it should not have any oil or something. So next day if you have taken bath, it's good, or the same day if you have taken bath for hair, it will good. It will nicely sit on your hair and releases the color. So I'm mixing it completely, thoroughly and nicely. After applying, keep it this for like more than 2 hours. So it's advisable 2 to 4 hours. So you can keep it for 2 to 4 hours and wash your hair with a nice plain water, not to add any shampoos. After next day apply hair oil and take bath. It works. So this is the consistency it should look. So my pack is ready now. We'll apply and we'll share how its effect is on my hair and my hubby's hair. So we are on terrace to apply this. You can see my hubby's hair, like how many gray hairs. This is all because of the chemical dyeing. He had 1 or 2. It's increased in a time, and also like lot of hair falls and little damage is there. So we are trying to fix it up over the period. Let's see. After applying, I'll share the result also. I'm applying here using the brush. You can use hand or brush, or if you're using hand, make sure you use gloves, cover gloves, something, because as you have added indigo, your hand will be dyed to a blackish brownish kind of. So to avoid that color, mehendi will look nice, but indigo color will not look nice on your hand. So use a gloves and apply using your hand. So after applying, I've left that. So it was sitting on the pack was sitting on his head for like 2 to 4 hours. It's kind of little busy person. It's very difficult to keep him so if you can keep it more than 3 hours, it is really good, because it's one step process. If you keep it for longer, you will get a deeper color and it will stay long. With the applying, so I will cover shower cap or the poly cover on this. I'll not allow this pack to dry. After that, wash with the lukewarm water. So this is the final result. Look at that beautiful hair. It covers all the gray hairs. I'll zoom in, you can see it. So this is how it looks. It's looking nice, shiny, healthy hair. So this is how the steps that you can follow, which fits into your lifestyle. 1 or 2 you can adopt accordingly. So the products what I've used, the one which I trusted. So you can use any of the products, indigo or henna, of your choice. So that's it for today's video. We are heading towards the end of this video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care, stay positive. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay connected. Tata, bye bye.